In this video, I will show how to set 1-inch margin in Microsoft Excel. So firstly click on File, then Options, and here in underneath Display Ruler Units, so select here inch, then click on OK. Now in Margin, click on Custom Margins, and you can select 1 inch in top left, bottom and right. Then click on OK. So once you print, so it will set 1-inch margin. Also you can change from here custom margin, and if you have some data, so it will show you properly, like this one. Now file and print, like select A4. Now margin, so select here this custom margin as we said before, 1 inch in these all options. So thanks for watching.